Alright, how was your sleeping,
Good
Saya?
morning. Wow. I really love this place. I sleep very good. And you know, I'm now ready for the jungle trekking.
Alright, good morning. How are you doing, guys, today?
Wow, this is so cool place. And then you know, the weather in the morning, so it's not so hot and it's not so cold, so fresh.
I could say it's a little bit cold.
But it's so fresh. And
It's
you
very
know,
fresh.
And then this place is very quiet.
And now we're going for the trekking. Let's see how it is. And
Yeah.
today's vlog will be more about the nature and Sidemen. Yesterday's vlog was just only about the resort. Now we will show you around the rice fields, the river, and how
we
is
will
the
explore more the area of Sidemen.
That's you can see the farmers with the rice.
Yes, so now is the time for harvesting the rice. Wow, the harvesting start early in the morning.
Very
Look at
early.
them, very early in the morning. Look at them.
Songket Sidemen ya.
Songket Sidemen ini kan daerah nanti nih kan?
Iki pun Sebolo aja.
Halo Bapak.
Ya, selamat pagi.
Wow.
Di Bali
Iya.
yang tak boleh luar dengan
Agung ya.
tapi luar negeri pun doyan.
Ricky pun di Bali mungkin.
Alright, so this is how is the planting the rice, harvesting the rice, actually not planting. And now we're gonna go to the river. And can you hear the sound of the nature over here and everything? So beautiful, isn't it?
Okay. Look at that. So that the fish pond. They also, farm the fish here. They have catfish and then nila or something like that, just the local fish.
So we are in the like a park next to the river, and over here is our resort and villa. Check this out, guys, so nice. A nice flower, papaya and stuff like this. Oh, like this one. And over there is the river. Can you hear the sound of the water?
So, well, this is actually the river next to our villa, and then you can hear the sound of nature. This is the real natural getaway.
Yeah, and it's like a mountain river, very clean, and as you can see, super cool.
Yeah, beautiful. With the jungle over there, with the hill and the river. Wow, we found that 3 local kids who is doing camping here, and now they are cooking noodle. Let's see. Hello. So they are cooking by
Okay, let's go now back to the top there. And we're gonna have a breakfast, right, Sayang?
Yeah, so let's have a breakfast. Today we will have a special breakfast. You will see. It's very beautiful place downstairs.
You see this one? That will be our breakfast, floating breakfast in this lovely pool, and she's still preparing. So stay tuned. Don't switch off the video yet.
Makasih.
And here we go. Can you see this one? In the pool with the view and with everything, and of course private huge pool. Check the breakfast, so amazing.
Wow, I can't wait to eat this one. So amazing floating breakfast today.
So Winnie have Indonesian food, I have egg benedict, and yeah, we will show you more.
Wow.
Alright, as you can see, we have a breakfast in the pool of the sun with the palm tree, sounds of the river, nature. It's really super cool and super amazing experience. And that experience is mostly only in Bali or tropical countries. You're not gonna get this in Europe. At least I never saw. Maybe somewhere, I don't know, but this is typically for the Bali and tropical style. Alright, all we have, and we have to say goodbye to this room. A little bit messy, but yeah, it's normal. Okay, you have everything to say?
Yes, we already pack up our bag. Oh, so sad.
So
we
sad.
have to go home.
Okay, let's go. Bye. Alright, time to go home.
Oh ya.
Ibu perlu untuk videonya saya kirim via email aja deh. Tunggu ya.
Alright, so that will be enough for today. Thank you guys, you already joining us for 2 days, 1 night in here in Sidemen. Wow, I feel so happy and I feel so re-energized actually.
And as you can see, the place is super cool, and that will be enough for today's vlog. Like always, please share, like, comment, and see you tomorrow with the new vlog, 7 p.m. Bali time. See ya!
Bye!